So a few days ago, I actually uploaded this video on your screen right now, where I actually shared how you can make up to $2,000, how I personally did it, and then get paid from Clipify. But I noticed I kept out one of the most important part of the video, which is actually how you can clip these videos the right way so that these companies will actually pay you for it. Because if you just go over there, download the video and repost it without doing the right things, you are actually not going to get paid properly. Even though I actually threw a little bit of light around how you can actually do it, but I noticed that I didn't go in depth on that particular part. So that's why I'm making this part where I will actually share with you the right way to actually clip the videos, every single thing you need to do, and how you can follow the rules to make sure that you get your clips correctly and get paid for your work. So in order for you to get this right, here's one thing I want you to actually do. I want you to either follow me practically right now and do it whilst I'm doing it, or basically take your time, get a piece of pen and paper, and then jot down every single thing like the way I jot down other tutorials that I personally watch here, so that you don't miss any single step. So right now I'm logged into my dashboard right now on Clipify, which is the one that I created during the course of that video to actually show you on how you can get into any of the tags. And at the same time as well, I've actually opened a chat on ChatGPT, because we are going to use ChatGPT to help us get every single thing in order. So the first thing you need to do is simply come over to your Clipify dashboard and open up the tags that you've actually applied for and then you are already into. Now once you're in here, you'll notice that it comes with Google Drive file and every single thing. And then the next thing is simply the description and every other thing here. So all you need to do is simply copy every single thing here, and then copy every single thing and then head over to ChatGPT. Now inside ChatGPT, just let it know what you are coming to do and the purpose of every single thing. So here's what I'm going to say. Okay, so here's a simple message I'm sending to ChatGPT. I say, I work on Clipify where I clip videos for influencers and brands and get paid. So here is a video I want to clip. The full stop. I say it's in Italian, but give me details in English. Now some of the videos you take might be in English, some will be in Italian, some will be in different languages. So make sure that we specify the language that the video and every detail is to ChatGPT before you paste in your instructions. So after this, I'm just going to paste the instructions and then I'll hit on send. Now this first one that we are giving to ChatGPT, we want ChatGPT to help us actually understand what the client actually wants from us, because the most important thing before you clip any video is understanding what your client actually wants. If you don't get that understanding, then you will not be paid for it. So we need to get that. So you can see here is the details where ChatGPT actually break down. You say, so this is what the client actually said and every single thing you need to know. And here are the topics, tone, and every single thing. Okay, so you can see now everything that was in Italian has been broken down. So now you don't have to stress when it comes to clipping again. Here's the client description, the main topic that the video should be around, and the tone of the video, the target audience, you can see, and then the mandatory requirement, which is the most important things that the client said they are very important that you must keep. You can see every single thing here. And then the pages you need to tag, the caption idea, you can see every single thing here, and the discount code, every other single detail you actually need here. So now the next thing you need to do is simply, since you've gotten this idea, next up is time for you to download the materials. Now here are the materials that they actually want you to download. So now next up, also take a screenshot of this part. Now I'm doing this in a beginner friendly way so that without my permission you can also get this done. Without my assistant you'll be able to get it done and still make your money, so you don't have to come to me every single time when you need to get something done. So I'll paste it in here. So you are basically just having chat with ChatGPT. I'm doing this in a way that you can actually grab it. So you can see from your screenshot, Clipify has provided everything you need for the campaign. Content from brand, Google Drive and folder. Campaign logo, download this. So it's telling you that you need to download it. Campaign face, download this if required for thumbnail or overlays. And it's not required in this situation. So campaign audio, none. So use the original audio from the video unless the campaign instruction says otherwise. So here's what to do next. Download all the videos and any additional assets from here. Watch every video. Before editing, look for the strongest hook, first 3 seconds, funny, motivation, and other single things. So now you need to look for this instruction. This is what ChatGPT is actually telling you right now. So you need to gather all the ideas from the multiple videos given to you there and then make a single clip out of it. So now let me do that. I'll come over here, open up the Google Drive. Now here are the videos here. So basically I'm just going to highlight them like this and then download. Okay, so now I'm done downloading the materials. You can see I actually downloaded every single one of them and I've extracted the drive files as well. So now let me just open it up on big screen for you. So you can see the folder actually has this video. Okay, so now here's one thing you don't know. You don't have to use every single clip that is in this video. You have to use just a few of them and then just make up something. Like for example, in this one, this is a motivational version of the video. So basically I'm going to take this particular one. So the next thing you do is simply come over to CapCut. So now I'm into CapCut right now. I'm just going to open up one of the projects. So and then import the videos in. So now this video here, it's a motivational video and let me play it. Okay, so this particular video here is a motivational video. So this one is a motivational, so we'll do our this thing in a motivational way, which is our clipping in a motivational way. Now one thing you notice here is that what this video is actually shot like this, and this what is it called, this video editor, what is it called, oh shit, CapCut has this attitude of actually adjusting the video to fit into adjusting the timeline to fit into the video you are using. So one thing you need to do is simply come over to where it says ratio down here, click on it and then change it to 9:16 yourself. Now this one will now create space at the top and the bottom of the video for you. So then next thing you need to do from here is simply minimize this video that you are clipping, let it be in the center like this, and if possible you can play with it, maybe reframe the side or something. Let me see if I can do that here. It's been a while I do things here, so let me see, AI expand relight. Okay, I just wanted, maybe Max can do that for me. Add Max. Okay, full Max. Now will it give me round corners? Okay, good. So Max gave me the round corners. So I also want to put the video in a different style so it doesn't be like the original that I just took like that. Now let's see. Okay, now I have the video in a different format. This is good. Now the next thing is simply we'll come over to ChatGPT and then now we need caption to close off the video. So now you say, so you see what I'm saying to ChatGPT? I say, so in the folder I find a video where the owner was motivating someone. So okay, where the owner was, so I went with that video only. So give me a caption and video headline. So you need both the caption and the video headline. So now let's send it. Now I'm going to show you the difference between the video caption and then the headline. Now you see, this is it. So you can see here is the caption here, but this time I is giving you the headline in English. So now I'll say this. So you see, he gave us the first one in the first caption, video headline in English, but the video you are clipping is in Italian. You want to reach Italian audience, so keep everything Italian. Okay, so I'll just go with this particular one here. Now you can see this is the video headline that he gave us. So now let's go back to our CapCut. Now come over to the text layer and I drag a text above the video. Now extend this text from the beginning to the end and I place the text on it. Now you can see when you place it on it, it gets too long. So the next thing is simply adjust these edges. So you adjust it like this. Now the next thing is simply come back to ChatGPT and then ask a very important question. Okay, so you see, according to ChatGPT, they say the logo is not necessary. So which means that based on every single thing so far, the logo wasn't necessary. The only necessary thing is actually the caption and then tagging them. So here's one thing you do. You come over here. Now ChatGPT gave us a caption. So here is the caption. You copy it, including the hashtags. So from here now, all you need to do is simply you download this video that you've actually edited on CapCut like this. You download it, you copy the caption that ChatGPT gave you, go to your Instagram, post the video, add the captions to it, and my advice is simply probably tag one of the biggest Italian cities to the video. The reason is that I think when you when you reference a particular location on Instagram, they tend to actually push the video towards that direction as well. But I'm not really 100% guaranteeing this, but it's something that I have personally noticed with my personal account, because at times I do tag some random locations and I see that I get a few audience from that area, which is unusual on a normal day when I personally make a post. So This is basically every single thing you need for the part 2, and don't worry, there's no more part 3 coming. I just shared every single thing that you need. Now imagine if I added this to the original video before. That means that video would have been heading to over 30 minutes, and you and I know you will not watch a 30-minute YouTube video on this channel. So guys, this is all I have for you. Now for those of you who are going into this and who wants to learn other ways of clipping, well, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and also drop a comment as well. The more comments I get, the more questions I get, the more I'm actually pushed to make more videos for you guys. And just to let you know that I also sell already monetized social media platforms. I also sell already monetized social media handles. This is Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, different social media platforms, already monetized ones. I always have them available, and you can get an account from as low as about $120 upward. So if you're interested, you can actually contact me. All details available in the video description. Now you can also join my WhatsApp group and Telegram community, links in the video description as well. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.